Hello everyone, welcome to D4Drupal channel. Today we are going to see about how to create your own custom action in Drupal 10. So first here I have created one custom module. So I will explain how I have created. So if you see here, there is a module called custom node action. This is what I created. In this I have an info file where I just mentioned all the basic information, and then we'll come to config folder later. And then action to create action in Drupal. So as like how we are creating block, field, widget, field formatter, like a plugin, right? In the same way you have to create for action. Here I have created two actions. First, I will explain this simple action, how I created and how it will work. After that, in next video, I will be posting how the dynamic update node action plugin is working. Okay, now update node title. So this is very basic uh, file. And in this, what I'm doing when you do the bulk operation with any action, whatever you are selecting. So if you select this node title update action, what it will do, it will update the all the content titles. If you scroll down, so here I just added the namespace, and then next here I added namespace for the file, and next is action base. So as like how you are doing for block, you will be extending block base, right? In the same way, you have to extend this action base class, and then account interface. This is to check the user accessibility to the particular action. I just used this in the access function. I will show you next. And then here I have a annotation. In this, I have mentioned at action where I'm going to define my action details. Here I have to give some unique ID for my action, that is update node title, and label I have given as update node title, and type. This type represent what type of entity it is going to work. So if it is taxonomy term, you have to give taxonomy underscore term, and if it is a block content, block underscore content. So for which entity type you are going to create this action. Here I have created this for node. So that's why I kept this as node. And you can categorize your own custom action by giving category here. And this is optional. And next I created a class. And as I already mentioned, I have used the action base class. And then here I just used only two classes. One is access and then one is execute. So in access, what it will do, it will just check whether the particular user has access to the particular action. So which means here we are updating the node title, right? So to update the node title, we need a person who can access this node title update action. Only they can access this action, right? So that they can change the title of the node. That's why I have created this access function where by default, Drupal will be providing these arguments. And first one is node, and next one is node means it's an entity. If it is, it's based upon the type what you are giving. If it is taxonomy term, it will be taxonomy term. If it is block content, it will be block content. It will be based upon the type what you are providing. Here it is a node. I just given that as a node. And then next access interface, the currently logged in user account will be coming here. And here I am just checking whether for that particular node that user has update access or not. If they have, and also I am checking whether the person has access to edit that particular title field. If everything is good, I'm just saying return allowed. Okay. And that's it. So here I just created access function, and here it will be checking whether the user has access or not. If the user has access, it will say allow them to do that. And the next one is execute function. So this is the execute function. Here you will get that object of the entity. Here our object is node, and here I am getting the title of the node, and I am constructing new title for that. I'm just adding a text called new title, and this is a placeholder where I will be replacing the existing title here, and set title and save function. So that's it. Now I created a action file where I'm going to update all the node titles. Next, what I'm going to do, I'm going to enable this module here. So before that, you have to enable a module called actions, which is in the code. So once you enabled this, then only you can use action plugin in your custom module. So first enable this module. This is already enabled, and I'm going to enable my custom node action. So now the module is enabled. Next, what you have to do, you have to go to configuration, system actions. In this page, you will be able to see all the actions, whatever we have in this particular Drupal site. And when you scroll down, you will be able to see the action which I created. So update node title. So this is created not by default. I have created a YML file in my custom module. I will explain that now. In config install folder, there is a file called system.action. So the file name format should be system.action.id. So this ID represent the action ID, what you are providing in the annotation, this ID. So I just given that ID and .yml file, and this is for which language, and status true, and ID, and label, what label it should be displaying here. This is the label, and this is for node. Yeah, this is for node. And which plugin it is using? This is using this particular plugin. That is the plugin ID. So you just have to give all this information. And when you install this module, since it is under the install folder, automatically the plugin will be created here. Okay. So now the plugin is created. Next, what you have to do? You have to go to the content and just refresh it. So here you can see update node title is coming. If the particular action is not coming in any view, you have to go to edit page of the view and you have to select the particular node title, whatever the action you are creating. Here I have created node title, so it is displaying because I am displaying all the action, whatever available in Drupal. So that's why it is getting displayed here automatically. And next, I'm just selecting this and I'm selecting to content and I am applying this to the selected items. So now the action is completed. When you see here, you can see those two node titles are updated with the new title, fruits content to new title, vegetable content to. So this is how you have to use this no actions in your custom module. And that's it about today's video. If you like the video, please share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.